I'm in Jaipur, by the way, which is my hometown, and I just want to keep this introduction very short and tell you that we are going to make two wall hangings in this video. One of which is a modern wall hanging and the other one is a little bit traditional. I made it using bangles. I kind of saw it in one of the Rajasthani restaurants and I really wanted to recreate it. Let's get started with this video already. I am super embarrassed of this photo, but मेरे दादाजी को ये फोटो बहुत पसंद थी तो उन्होंने ये literally इतनी बड़ी print करा ली थी. It has a proper frame and all. काफी पुरानी फोटो है मेरे farewell की. Obviously, I don't want to use it like this anymore. I want to do something with it and convert it into a proper wall hanging जो थोड़ा usable हो. It already has frame and everything, so we don't need to worry about how to hang it. I have not decided what to do yet, but let's try something together. So, to save me some embarrassment, I am first going to cover this whole picture frame. I am using this self-adhesive wallpaper that I have ordered from Amazon. It's a pretty white color with a subtle shine, which is not properly seen on the camera, but you gotta trust me, it's a nice one. The way to apply the wallpaper is pretty straightforward. Just keep removing the peel from the back side and just keep straightening it. I removed all the bubbles like this.
Don't paint me thankless, just have to say this. Know you down with the way you move. Lost in your fragrance, still makes me anxious. Doesn't feel right not knowing you. You never show me or tell me the way that you're feeling.
So as you saw, I cut the corners, stuck the wallpaper from the back side. And after that was all done, I took this little wall hanging that I made in one of my previous videos. I think it was a living room makeover video. I will link the video on the screen if you're interested to see. Well, the point is that I kind of got bored of this, so I thought of disassembling it. So I took all the straws out. I had spray painted these straws in the golden color earlier. So this is thermocol. ये एक पतला सा पीस पड़ा हुआ था मेरे घर पे. I started to assemble the straws on this. I am using Fevicol Heatex and sticking the straws randomly on the thermocol. I am not following any pattern here.
I never ask you the questions cause maybe I'm fearing. Oh, that's just how it goes. Maybe there's parts of you that I'll never know.
I took this whole thing in the balcony and spray painted it so that everything is covered with the golden paint. After it was dry, it was time to assemble it. I applied the glue and stuck the thermocol in the center.
That I'll never know. Maybe there's parts of you.
I put some weight on it and let it for drying, and that's all for this one. I feel it's a nice modern centerpiece and can be used above the couch or above the bed frame.
That I'll never know. I get impatient. This constant waiting. Just wanna be the one that you come to. We act like we're ageless. I don't wanna waste this time.
For the second wall hanging, I took some bangles from my mom's collection and then I assembled them in this way. After assembling, I started gluing the bangles together, again using the Fevicol Heatex.
That's just how it goes. Maybe there's parts of you that I'll never know.
After this was dried, for an extra layer of bond, I took a thick thread and just tied around the bangles just to make the bond stronger.
That I'll never know.
I made two pieces like this and then I glued them together in the center.
That I'll never know, never know, no, no. I'll never know.
After this, I took this piece in the balcony and spray painted it with the golden color. स्प्रे पेंट करने के बाद इट लुक्स लाइक दिस. मैंने जो भी छोटे छोटे थ्रेड्स बांधे थे बीच बीच में, इवन वो भी स्प्रे पेंट हो गए हैं, तो इट डज नॉट लुक बैड. इनफैक्ट वो दिख भी नहीं रहे अब. Next, I took two cardboards, I cut them in small hexagons, I poked two holes in each of the cardboard pieces, then I inserted a jute rope in these holes to create a loop. We will be using these loops to hang this wall hanging on the wall.
No, I said my piece, I'll let it be. The cards are not mine too.
I then flipped the piece and stuck these cardboards in the center. Then in the front part, I stuck the two mirror stickers that I got from Amazon. It will definitely be linked down below in the description box. And the wall hanging is now ready.
To hold. That's just how it goes. Maybe there's parts of you that I'll never know.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon, all those good things, and I'll see you next week.